name is Kim. I'm the Canine Enrichment Coordinator at the Animal Care Centers of New York in Manhattan. Pillow for Paws is one of our biggest supporters and donator of much needed items such as handmade, homemade items such as these rope toys, which are great for play, comfort, and scent enrichment. They also provide donations of high value items such as these Kongs, Nylobones, even the Corunda beds that our animals sleep on in their kennels were donated to us by Pillow for Paws. These are much needed items that are really hard for a financially strapped institution like Animal Care Centers of New York to acquire on their own. So it's really, really appreciated that they're able to provide these type of items for our animals to provide comfort and make them feel safe and at home in the shelter environment.